Oil prices pulled back slightly after Friday's hefty gains, although investors remained cautious over supply risks caused by the conflict between Israel and Hamas. The market also priced in the news of a possible resumption of Venezuelan crude oil exports. The Washington Post reported on Monday that the United States would ease sanctions on Venezuela's oil industry, while the authoritarian state would allow a competitive internationally monitored presidential election next year. Against this background, Brent crude dipped just below $90 per barrel. Fundamentally, if the situation remains unchanged, oil prices will gradually move to the mark of $87 per barrel. From a technical point of view, the asset retreated from an overbought territory, although the pullback may continue for some time. The key driving factor in the oil market is still news releases. As for gold, it added nearly 5% over the week, and now the asset is also pulling back. In the near term, the yellow metal is expected to slide to the level of $1,875 per 3 ounce. The Russian currency has been trading sideways at around 97 rubles per dollar since last week, reflecting uncertainty among market participants. And notably, earlier the ruble used to remain stable for a long time, but the situation has changed dramatically in recent months. The Russian currency is now subject to increased volatility and steady losses. After all, there are some fundamental factors contributing to its weakening. The efforts of Russia's central bank and finance ministry have come to nothing, and this is due to rather narrow domestic market and limited opportunities for large companies in the foreign exchange market. It all comes from the Western sanctions imposed last year, given that the market did not react with an immediate plunge. Investors were convinced that the Russian financial market managed to quickly adapt to new conditions. However, the export proceeds of major companies are now yuan or rupee denominated, and these transactions are tightly regulated by monetary authorities, which hinders the use of proceeds outside China and India. And that's all for now. We wish you profitable deals. See you on our channel with a new video in a couple of hours.